Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the yesterday lessons continuation for lithosphere. It is endogenetic process. Endo means interior. So what are the process happen in interior of the earth? About this lessons, yesterday we seen the few topics, and today we are going to see following topics like rocks and types of rocks. From these types of rocks we are seeing the igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks, and finally we want to see the rock cycle. So first topic, rocks. The crust is a storehouse of rocks. An aggregate of minerals on the earth crust is called rocks. So rock means it is storehouse of many type of minerals. It may be hard or compact like granite, or soft as clay, or loose as sand. From this second topic, types of rocks. Based on the formation, rocks are classified. How the rocks are classified based on the formations. From this, first type, igneous rocks. Second one, sedimentary rocks. Third one, metamorphic rocks. So before we want to see these types of rocks, we want to see the fact about the rocks. The ancient of Petra in Jordan is an example of entire city carved out of rocks. So this Jordan city, it's covered by rocks. There are many specimens of magnificent rock cut architecture in India, like Ajanta and Ellora cave. It is very famous for the cave architecture. So where it is found? Maharashtra. And Aihel and Badami, it's a temple in Karnataka. So this about this type, Aihel and Badami, you learned from the history lessons. The Konark temple in Odisha and Malapuram in Tamil Nadu. So these are the some important factor for the rocks. Next I will go to start the igneous rocks. What do you mean the word igneous? It's derived from the Latin words. It's a meaning fire. Igneous means fire. The interior of earth contains a very hot molten material is called. Already we learned the structure of earth. It's a crust, core, mantle. So where this magma is found, it is the interior of the earth. When the magma it's reached the earth surface, it is referred to as lava. Already I told in your lower class, or 8th or 7th, it's a lava and magma. So magma, it is the interior of earth. Lava, it is when it will come out of the earth, it is called lava. It's a solid part. Lava on the surface cool down and get solidified and rocks called igneous rocks. So when the magma it's come out of the earth, it is a lava. So it is solidified after the cooled on the earth. It is getting for the touch by earth, it will getting cool. The grand example of this igneous rocks, granite, basalt are the example. So that it is called primary or mothered rocks. So that it is called primary and mothered rocks. Next I will go to start the sedimentary rocks. What do you mean sediment? Sediment means deposits. So deposits different kinds of lava and solidifications. It will get sedimentary rocks. Mostly it will get erode the river, glacier and wind carrying pits of rocks and solid deposits them in the layer. After a few million years ago, this type of deposits, it is called sedimentary rocks. It is called sedimentary rocks. Next I would like to explain the metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic is derived from the word metamorphosis, which means change of form. So best example that igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks, it will be change their forms getting heat and pressure, they undergoes complete change in their form, the character. This type of rocks is called metamorphic rocks. Its example: granite, basalt, schist, limestone, sandstone, and quartz. Next, I would like to explain the rock cycle. So, cycle means it's a circulation, the continuous process through which the igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks are transformed from one form to another form. You see here the pictures they given. First, the rocks are formed like magma when it will come out of lava. It's like volcanic eruptions activities. It comes to the out of the earth, and it will be deposits in different places. So this type of circulations or cycle, it is known as first form of the igneous rocks, second one sedimentary rocks, and the third one metamorphic rocks.